Welcome back. We're watching WLOV This Morning. Thank you for sticking around. Let's take a live look now in West Point, where we have clear skies. It's a beautiful morning, but warmer than it should be this time of year. 54 degrees, that's comfortable. But this afternoon, it's going to be uncomfortably warm. We'll talk about that here in just a moment. Right now, winds are calm, very dry conditions out there. We're going to see sunshine all day long. A live look now at our WLOV Storm Track Doppler shows we're seeing sunshine not just in West Point, but all over North Mississippi and northwest Alabama right there. We got temperatures right now in the mid-50s. Not bad, but like I said, we're going to warm up quite a bit. In fact, we might be talking about broken records, or at least tied records. Here's a look at where we stand compared to yesterday. Just a few degrees warmer than yesterday, but it's notable considering even yesterday morning was a little mild for this time of year. We'll see those temperatures climb in the afternoon. It's going to be even warmer than average. In fact, no, we're not even talking about warm. We're talking about hot. It's October 31st, and we're talking highs in the upper 80s. These are more like late August, early September. Sunshine all over the area. We're looking for temperatures maybe getting up to 89 degrees in Tupelo. By the way, 89 degrees, the record set back in 1937. We may tie it or break it today. Columbus, your record, not 36 degrees. Your record temperature, 86 degrees, set back in 1998. You're at least going to get up to 86 degrees, I do believe. A lot of sunshine out there. And as you're getting ready to head out for trick-or-treating, you might want to wear thin, light-colored clothes because you're going to see very warm temperatures. If you've got a thick fabric like a bear costume or something along those lines, probably not going to cut it today, folks. Maybe go as a stick man like me. Here's a look at tonight's forecast. We're going to see mild conditions stick around even through the day tomorrow with clear skies. Notice our storm tracker. This is, of course, what the storm track Doppler may look like. You're not going to be tracking any storms. You're not even going to be tracking them on Wednesday. However, look at this. A few extra clouds try to push in here. That'll come with a little more moisture and maybe, if we're lucky, an isolated chance of a shower as a cold front moves through on Thursday. That cold front might bring some cooler temperatures, but rain chances, not going to be a drought buster. As we go on into the weekend, though, at least it's going to be cooler. Still warmer than average. Temperatures in the upper 70s. And, of course, stick around. We'll have more news and more weather here in just a few moments. Katrina?